Hi, this is Sarah Levin, the Artful Inker. I'm an independent Stampin' Up! Demonstrator in the United States, and today I received my Little Love Boxes add-on for the Sending Hearts Paper Pumpkin Kit, which is the January Paper Pumpkin, and thought I would share them with you. So I already cut a slit, and let's see if I can find that and pull these out. Now, if you haven't looked at the add-on, you get 20 boxes, and then these petal pink die-cut tags. We're going to want one of these for right now, and they're a nice shape. Let's set them aside, and then we get the cute snails that coordinate with the Snailed It stamp set from the January to June mini catalog. I've been having some fun with that set. And then you get 20 of these little boxes. And I thought we would start by just putting together one of the boxes and showing you how cute they are. So let me grab my bone folder here. And we're going to just pull all of these tabs in on their score lines. And we're going to make these the first time together because I have literally just opened my pack. So any oopsies, you're going to see just the way it is. Okay, and we're just going to continue folding on these score lines. Using your bone folder helps them remember that memory of the fold. Okay, so then we have this extra piece here, and over on this side, and you want to start by tucking these two tabs in on the side, trying to pull it down so you can see, and I'm pulling the tab out, and then we're going to just fold that extra little bit over and tuck it into the slot. No glue needed. So let's do this other side. And guess what? We've got a box. Just that quick and easy. Isn't that fabulous? So great size. Let me grab a ruler. This folds up to make a box that's 3 inches wide by 2.5 inches deep. So a nice box for treats or even a little jewelry. I'm sure you can figure out some other little things that can go in here. So the next thing that I like to do when I get my paper pumpkin things is figure out what other colors will coordinate. So we've got the petal pink and coastal cabana, and this is real red. And then the other snails are petal pink and coastal cabana. And I pulled out my cardstock sampler ring, and I've got, of course, we've got real red here. Mango Melody can work, Granny Apple Green, Just Jade, the Coastal Cabana, Bermuda Bay, Pretty Peacock, Night of Navy, Petal Pink, Blushing Bride, and Magenta Madness. Now, I don't like the Magenta Madness with this snail, but it's great with the other one. So let's set this aside. And let me grab another box now that we've put that first one together. And I thought it would be great maybe to change the color of the box. So I've got a piece of scrap paper here. And let's pull another one of these boxes out. Of course, they're white on the inside. So you could have a white box. And then I've got my blending brush. That's also from the January to June mini catalog. And my Coastal Cabana ink pad. And I'm just going to blend on some color here. Just real quick. And I like the blending versus spritzing because it doesn't get my box wet. So there's no warping. And you can see this is pretty quick and easy to take on some color. While I have you all here, I want to thank you for watching my videos, particularly these last few months. You have helped me reach my goal for watch hours and subscribers, and that is just awesome. Thank you so much. I'd be clapping if I weren't blending. Okay, so quick and easy tone change for that box. Let's fold my ink pen closed and get this blending brush out of the way. And we'll put this box together real quickly and then embellish it. So we're going to do the same thing with burnishing all the score lines. Okay, and the sides. If you don't have a bone folder, you can find that in my store. There's a link in the description below. And if you're not already a Paper Pumpkin subscriber, you can also click a link in the description below to subscribe with me if you're in the United States. And I send my subscribers an exclusive tutorial bundle each month with alternate ideas for their Paper Pumpkin kits. And you do need to be a subscriber in order to get this add-on for these little boxes. So, and I checked just a moment ago and they are still in the store. So let's do a quick bit of stamping. Since I don't have my Paper Pumpkin kit yet, I'm going to use the Snailed It stamp set. As you can see, these guys coordinate. And I've got some Bermuda Bay ink here. And let's pull this over where I can see it closely enough and hope that I'm going to stamp straight. Of course, you can set this up on your Stamparatus and have this done in no time. There you go. And stamp all of the tags. I thought this would be great for the Employee of the Month, a little treat for them. So next we'll add some ribbon. I've got this Just Jade ribbon that's part of the Flowers for Every Season combo pack that's in the annual catalog. And we're just going to tie a bit around here. Oops, I'm being fumbly fingers here. And we're just tying a nice knot so that we will tie a nice knot if I can do this one more time. Okay, so let me think here. Turn it this way maybe, and my brain will work with it. Do you do that? You look at it and it just isn't going the way you think? Okay, so let's pull this forward just a little bit, and we'll give this a little whack here, and this a little whack on this side. Okay, and then let's grab some dimensionals and put on the back of our tag. Now, if you do want dimensionals, you will need to add them to your order for the add-on. As there are no dimensionals in the add-on, you'll need whatever your adhesive choices are. And if you do the dimensionals and the ribbon and your add-on, you're almost at a celebration item. So you could add a month of paper pumpkin, and then get to choose a free celebration item, which is always fun. Okay, so let's add this. Okay, now all we need to do is add some treats. So I'll be back with more videos. You can give this video a thumbs up, share it with your card making friends, subscribe to my YouTube channel, and click the bell if you'd like to be notified the next time I upload a video, and have a great day. Bye.